Hello traders, welcome to this new AlgoBuilderX tutorial. During this video, we will explore how to optimize a strategy in order to apply effective risk management, suitable for prop firms. We will discuss the implementation of an equity stop loss, an equity target, a daily target, and whether or not to trade during Fridays. Assuming that we have already implemented a strategy, let's start with the goal of limiting the opening of trades on Fridays. To do this, we import the weekdays filter. It will go plugged in before our logic, so before all the blocks. We select all days except Friday, where we are going to create a parameter and we can call it Trade on Friday. This will allow us to decide directly from the cTrader parameters whether or not to have the bot trade on Friday. Let us now move on to setting an equity stop loss. Suppose we have a $10,000 account and we want to close positions when the account reaches -4%. We use the false output of the no trade block, so if there are trades, and drag a condition. We choose account profit less than value, and set the desired value, -400, in this case. Finally, by attaching the close trade block to our condition, we will ensure that positions are closed when the account reaches a loss of $400. However, we also want to prevent the bot from trading for the rest of the day once the stop loss has been activated. To do this, we will use a Boolean switch block as a switch to activate or deactivate the strategy. We connect the Boolean switch block to the beginning of our strategy. We create a variable and set it to true. We use the modify variable block after the close trade block. Select our Boolean switch variable and assign it the value false. By doing this, when our equity goes -$400, all trades will be closed and the strategy will stop trading. Let us now see how to define our profit target so that we can turn off the strategy when the balance reaches, for example, 8%. Using the false output of the no trade block again, we create a new condition in which we set the account equity to be greater than or equal to the desired value. We configure the parameter by setting the value based on the account equity we want. For example, we set the value to 10,800. We link this condition to the close trade block so that the bot will automatically terminate trading when this goal is reached. Let us now explore how to set a daily goal in terms of monetary value. For example, I want my bot to stop trading for the rest of the day once $50 in daily profit is reached. The first step is to daily calculate the value of the balance along with the desired profit. We start by using the counter pass once block. We create our formula, which consists of adding the value of the profit to the current account balance. So, balance plus the value we want. We can again make the value parameterizable and the result we save in a variable. We now drag another condition again from the same output and configure it with account equity. Major equal. And here we choose the balance variable with the daily target. We connect this condition to the close trade block, which in turn will be connected to the modify variable block, which will deactivate our bot. When managing variables, it is critical to reset them to value 0 to prevent our balance from accumulating with the previous value. Therefore, we will determine when to reset the variable and reactivate the bot using an hour filter. We use the hour filter block, create a parameter and set it to midnight. We drag the modify variable block and select our Boolean switch, setting it back to true, so that the bot automatically reactivates at midnight each day. However, we will also need to reset the balance variable by setting it to 0. We click on Modify another variable. We choose the variable created earlier in the formula. So the balance daily target, in this case. New value we set 0, and let's click Save. In addition, it is also important to reset the counter pass once by dragging the counter block and selecting the reset option. We will need to copy the ID of the pass once block. By using the pass once block before the formula, we will limit the calculation with the daily target, ensuring that it happens only once a day, exactly at midnight. In conclusion, we discussed how to optimize a strategy by implementing effective risk management through the equity stop loss, equity target, daily target, and managing the trade during Friday. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and keep following us for more updates and tutorials on AlgoBuilderX. Custom strategies, made easy.